friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Doey the Doughman from Playtime. So first on the top for our head, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Moving above for the hat, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. And then again, stepping further in, just drawing in a nice big arch line, bringing that down on the side, closing that off. Now let's draw on our eyes. So coming down on the right, we're going to draw in a small arch line. We're going to leave a gap coming over on the left and replicating that. Now from the side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the right. And then we're going to replicate that again on the left. For the mouth, starting beside our eye on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing that up on the right. And then we're going to replicate that again from the corner, making that even bigger as we come all the way around. Now for the neck, moving underneath, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes out on both sides. Stepping further down now for the torso, on the left, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then we're going to move across to the right and replicate that, curving that back out and then in, ending that at roughly the same height. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Closing off the leg on the right, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the left. Now starting from that corner on the bottom, we're going to curve this line back up towards the side. Let's draw on our right arm. So on the side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. From here now, we're going to curve this line back around and then up. And now one last time, just curving this line across towards the side of the body. Now let's draw on our left hand. So we're going to have this one waving. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then back up. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line down, back in. Moving up again, we're going to draw on a small curved line. For the first finger, we're going to arch this line out and then in. Moving across, let's replicate that. And now one last time for the pinky, just curving this line out and then in. In the center, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then now from here underneath, closing this off, we're going to curve this in towards the side of our body. Now let's draw on the pattern on the body. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in on both sides. And then again, we're just going to draw in another curved line, closing that off. Moving underneath, we're just going to draw in a half circle. On the top left, we're going to curve this line down. From that point, bringing that back in. And then again, one more time, bringing that down. Now from here, we're going to curve this line out and then up. Arching this line around, down. We're going to replicate that as you move down, replicating that again. And then now one more time, curving this line around and then up. And then from here, we're just going to bring this line over and out towards the side. On the right-hand side now, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back out. We're going to curve this line around and then down. Again in the center. And then again 2 more times as we come all the way over on the right. Now on the side, we're going to curve this line down and then up. Moving underneath on the bottom on the left, we're going to draw in a wavy line, bringing this over. We're going to continue this wavy line as we come all the way around and then up on the right-hand side. And that is it. That's how you draw Doey the Doughman from Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.